everyone, thank you so much for joining me every week as you do for Tool Time Tuesday and Weekend Jewelry School. The next couple of weeks, I'm probably not going to have a whole lot going on over here. However, I am going to try something new and try to do a couple of live YouTube videos. The next 2 weeks, I will be in Tucson, Arizona for the great big gem and jewelry show that happens every year. Takes over Tucson entirely. And we are talking football fields worth of nothing but jewelry and stones and tools and all kinds of things like that. I'm very excited. This year you can find me at the Tucson Bead Show, which is also the Bead True Blue and Colors of the Stone. I will be in the booth with microtools.com, and you can find their link and information down below in the description, as well as the location and dates and times of the show. Make sure you come by and see me. I am going to be having a full line of frets, hammers, and stakes. I will also have the entire line of Pepe tools as well as Fordham. And those are just the areas that I'm in charge of. We have 5 booth spaces. It is going to be huge and massive. We have over 800 pounds of tools and freebies to give away, so make sure you stop by and say hello. And not only that, but anytime I'm involved with a booth, you know it's playtime. So come and try out the hammers, try out the stakes, try out everything. I have plenty of samples for you guys to give it a whack. Anyway, come and see me, and like I said, assuming we have good internet connection, be prepared to watch me live from Tucson, Arizona. See you guys soon. Thanks.